Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Explore page. To know how to fix Instagram Explore page, you should just go to settings like this, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page here, this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this list, you will go down to click here for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and then in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, so that you can know how to fix Instagram Explore page. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.